Today, let's casually discuss a Python concept that often confuses people.
You mean late binding in Python?
Exactly. Many developers hear the term but don't fully grasp it.
True, it sounds abstract at first.
So let's start simple. What does late binding actually mean?
Late binding means variable values are looked up when the function is executed, not when it's defined.
So Python waits until the last possible moment.
Yes, that's why it's called late binding.
This usually comes up with functions and loops, right?
Especially with closures and lambda functions.
Can you explain it without jumping into code?
Imagine writing instructions, but filling in names at the last minute.
So the instruction stays the same, but the value changes later.
Exactly. Python binds the name when it runs, not when it's written.
That explains why people get unexpected results.
Yes, because they assume the value was locked earlier.
But Python doesn't lock it early by default.
Correct. It keeps a reference, not a snapshot.
That's a really important distinction.
Very important for understanding behavior.
So when does this become a problem in real life?
Mostly when functions are created inside loops.
Because the loop variable keeps changing.
And all functions end up seeing the final value.
That surprises many developers.
Especially those coming from other languages.
So Python isn't wrong, it's just being consistent.
Exactly, it follows its own rules.
Is late binding always bad?
Not at all. It can be powerful when used intentionally.
Like delaying decisions until runtime.
Yes, that gives flexibility.
But beginners usually hit it accidentally.
And then blame Python.
Which is unfair to Python.
Totally unfair.
So what's the mental model to understand late binding?
Think, names are resolved when used, not when defined.
That's a clean explanation.
Python looks up the value only when it needs it.
Not when the function was created.
Exactly.
Is this behavior specific to Python?
Many dynamic languages behave similarly.
But Python developers talk about it a lot.
Because it shows up in common patterns.
Especially closures.
Yes, closures highlight late binding clearly.
How do experienced developers avoid mistakes?
By being explicit when needed.
Meaning, they control when values are captured.
Right, they force early binding when required.
That sounds advanced but logical.
Once you understand late binding, solutions feel obvious.
So the key is awareness.
Awareness and clear thinking.
In short, late binding means Python waits.
Waits until execution to resolve variable values.
That single idea explains many confusing behaviors.
Exactly, one concept unlocks many answers.